It's mail time again with Mr. Tear. So let's check our loot. Our loot for today from SPS.US. So slug card. It will check. Ito yung mga kinokollect ko na or ayun. So this one is 2018 Panini Hoops Jaren Jackson Jr. Class of 2018. So one of my collection. So ganda. So meron tayong Luka, Trae Young and other stars from 2018 class.